Today we are going to talk about the chemical equations and the other parts of the chapter. Um, so first we will talk about how the chemical reaction takes place, how the chemical reaction has taken place, how do we know it. There are four conditions, and also one condition also there. I will tell that also. Okay, just start with it. Okay. This is a change in state. First is change in state means once solid is converted into liquid, then the chemical reaction takes place. The change in color. The change in color when the iron reacts with the copper sulfate, we get iron sulfate and copper, so they will be change in color. And okay, evolution of the gas, when there is evolution of the gas, then also chemical reactions takes place. When there is a change in temperature, this is also a chemical reactions takes place. And also there is a release in precipitate, the formation of the precipitate, then also a chemical reactions takes place. Okay, now we will know what is the chemical equation. What is the chemical equation? Chemical equation is a shorthand notation, is a representation of the chemical reaction in terms of the symbols and formulae. Symbols means magnesium. Magnesium we take it as Mg. Mg is magnesium. Okay. Magnesium. So magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So the substance undergoes the chemical reaction. They are called reactants. So these are the reactants and these are the products. The new substance formed are called products. Okay, then we will go to the next slide. The balanced chemical equation. What is the balanced chemical equation? Chemical equation is said to be balanced when the number of atoms on the reactant side is equal to the atoms of the corresponding element of the product side. Why the chemical equation has to be balanced? First we have to tell that reason. Because the law of conservation of mass means the number of reactants have to be equal to the number of products. So this tells about the balanced chemical equation. The balanced chemical equation says that the number of elements of each element of the reactant side are equal to the corresponding element of the product side, like Mg plus O2, and that only example we will take MgO. So okay, this Mg plus O2. So they are this one atom, but here there are two atoms of oxygen, but there is only one atom of oxygen. So we have to balance it. So we will take two. But now there are two atoms of magnesium, so we have to balance another time. So this is 2Mg. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay, how to write the symbols of the physical states in a balanced chemical equation? The gaseous state is represented by Z, the liquid state is represented by L, the solid state is represented by S. Okay, then there is another type also, the aqueous solution. The aqueous solution means the solution where the solvent is water. Okay, sometimes the reactions conditions means CaOH2 we will do. This I will do. Either heat gives CaO plus H2O. So this is the main water temperature. There is a heat involved in it. So this is the line we explains. Okay. The fully balanced equation Zn zinc reacts with H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. CO2 plus H2 gives CH3OH. Okay, this is a good reaction. This is the photosynthesis reaction you might have studied in the life process chapter. So we are going to the next topic. The types of chemical equation. Chemical equation, chemical reactions. Okay, first reaction will take part in it. The combination reaction. Combination reactions are the reactions which when two substances combine to form a single substance. means when 2 rupees and 2 rupee and 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin combined to form a 2 rupee coin. So these the two are equal. So this is also in a chemical equation. Also you can apply this knowledge. Okay. We take the same example we were taking. In the Mg plus 2Mg, okay, plus O2 gives 2Mg. So here's the balance equation. So there are two reactants, Mg and O2. So gives MgO, magnesium oxide. So the two substances combine to form a single substance. In the form of the chemical equation, the chemical terms. So Mg is the reactant, O2 is the reactant, and is the product. So these two reactants, Mg and O2, O2 combine to form a product, MgO, magnesium oxide. So magnesium plus oxide gives magnesium oxide. We can take another example. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH2. So this is the chemical equation also. This is when the quicklime. This is also quicklime. This is water, and this is the slaked lime, and also there is a chemical equation CaO. CaO is used in whitewashing. This is a common board exam question. So you have to remember it. So this is an example. So the CaO combines with H2O to form CaOH2. OH twice, I think. OH twice. This is a combination reaction. We will study another examples also. Okay. This reaction. This reaction you have studied. Okay. C plus O2. This is the burning. The carbon compounds. Burning of the carbon compounds. C plus O2 is CO2. 2H plus O2 is we are the family of it. 2H2. Means hydrogen combines with the oxygen to form the water. So we can take the IUPAC name of the H2O is oxidane. You don't have to remember it, but it is an extra information. The exothermic reactions in which heat is released. Okay. Heat is released means the carbon compounds. The heat. The plastic we burn. In that reaction, in that situation also heat is released. So in that plastic we have carbon. So CH4 plus O2 is CO2 plus H2O. So this is the heat released. So CO2 plus H2O plus this is the heat. Okay, heat. This is heat. Okay, 66 H2O is also you can also see this reaction. Okay, decomposition reaction is just opposite of the combination reaction. Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single reactant is broken down to simpler products. So like we can take the example of H2 only. H2O in the electric current I take EC. H2 plus O2 is not correctly balanced to H2. So this is also a decomposition reaction, and two reactants means 2 rupee coin is divided into 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin, both are same. So this is a decomposition reaction, and other parts of thermal decomposition reaction we will study in the next video.